everyone would like to earn money after completing educations. Someone maybe wants to start their own business, someone maybe start their own startup, or someone maybe join some jobs to making career. But creation of wealth is really most important for everyone, because everyone would like to, everyone have a lots of dreams to live a life of your choice, and many of dreams may be fulfilled when you have good wealth. Without money, it's not easy to fulfill our dreams or exchange any goods and services. And as our last sessions for the marketing, either you earn the money from any business, any passions, through job, but how to manage the money, it's really most important. It is really good art. How to manage the money, right? So I am thrilled to be here to speak with you about the securities market and also rewarding career opportunities the offer. Right? As we all know that stock market, securities market is very growing industry. Right? So there are many rewarding career opportunities. Right? Financials market, securities market domain is ever evolving field that play crucial roles in global economy. It's where company raise the funds, company raise the capital from the market, and investor grow their wealth, and the flow of the money are basically to part of the economy also. The flow of the money in the market are also fuel of the economic activity. So if you are fascinated by finance, if your hobby analyzing, research, or you have good communication skills, so this plays to you in the securities market. So now in these sessions we discuss a lot about what is the career opportunities available and how can one start their own startup, and what is the growth of securities market, capital market in India. As after completing educations, either you start your own startup, your own business, or either do job. But again, the creation of wealth is really most important. I want to ask a question from you, very simple questions. What is the age of retirement? What is the age of retirement? 60? 52, 65, here? 60, age of retirement? 65, 45? But the right answer is there is no age of retirement. There is no age of retirement. This is depend on us कि if you have good wealth, when we have good wealth to survive our life, we can anytime stop our work. No need to do job, no need to do work for the money. If you have good wealth. So it's really important for everyone how to create a wealth in short term, how to create a wealth in early age. कैसे possible है ये सारी चीजें? I think securities market, capital market, banking, finance, all these are domain where you can learn or you can earn a lot. Also you learn about the various tools how to create a wealth in short term. आप लोग के फेसेस से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बैक टू बैक आपके सेशंस चल रहे हैं मॉर्निंग से, if I am not wrong, right? और बैक टू बैक जब सेशंस चलते हैं तो कॉमन सी बात है, फिर यहाँ से नहीं जाता कुछ भी सामने लेक्चर, यहाँ से कुछ दर्द होता है, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? But I think money is also very most important part to all of you. Without money, it's not easy to buy your favorite foods. मनी के लिए अगर आप थोड़ा 30 मिनट से 20 मिनट्स और सैक्रिफाइस करो या फिर और थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो, आई एम वेरी मच श्योर यू लर्न अ लॉट्स अबाउट दिस. आई हैव अराउंड मोर देन 20 of work experience in the finance market. I have just passed 12. 1995 I started investment in stock market. 12 के बाद से स्टार्ट हो गया शेयर मार्केट में पैसा लगाना, क्योंकि स्टॉक मार्केट I know that it's just an opportunity to invest in capital of the company. Maximum लोग कहते हैं शेयर बाजार का मतलब गैम्बलिंग, स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ गैम्बलिंग, स्टॉक मार्केट इज वेरी हाई रिस्की, कहते हैं ना सब लोग, मैनी ऑफ दैट, शेयर बाजार भी बहुत मुश्किल है. So I think here so many are commerce graduate and also commerce 12th, जिन्होंने commerce लिया होगा, they know that what do you mean by shares. In simple words, shares is a capital of the company. Right? The stock market is just an opportunity to invest in the company. It's not easy to invest in any company like in Reliance Industry. If you have 10,000 rupees or you want to invest in Reliance Industry or you just meet with Mukesh Ambani कि सर 10,000 रुपए है मेरे पास, आप अपने बिजनेस में लगा दो. Is it possible Mukesh Ambani meet with you for 10,000 rupees? Not possible. Then how you invest for 10,000 rupees in Reliance Industry? The stock market is only way where you can invest. So there is a lot of opportunities. In this sessions, our agenda first, what is the role of securities market in India? What is the growth of securities market in last years? What is the career path in securities market? We'll also discuss about important essential skills required for success. We'll also discuss about the NISM certification. Is there anyone know about the NISM? Yes, please. What is the NISM? It is a certificate which is given by SEBI. Is it? Exam conducted by SEBI, sure? Yeah. You please. What do you mean by NISM? National Institute of Securities Market. What is the purpose of this institute? What do you mean by NISM? आपने बताया था कि आप जानते हो. Yes.
NISM means they conducted exam about securities and markets, and they provide certification.
They also provide certification. As we all know that SEBI is a regulatory body. Securities and Exchange Board of India is a regulatory body of the securities market. Right? Securities like bonds, debentures, stocks, mutual funds, insurance, these are regulated by SEBI. So SEBI initiated the educations, basically initiated the educations to the professionals who want to just work in this industry or either who want to start their own startup. So NISM basically ensure that if anyone wants to get knowledge about the finance, knowledge about the securities market, so they can prepare themselves, they can give exams of NISM certifications to get this opportunity to make career or start any business related to the securities market. So here we discuss about how many NISM certifications are available or on particular domain which certifications have importance. High domains के बारे में. We'll also discuss about growth in careers with NISM certification and in last conclusion. 20 minutes to 30 minutes अगर आप मुझे देंगे, definitely I will clear all the slides. Possible है 20 to 30 minutes more? Sure? मोबाइल में प्लीज थोड़ा सा अपना, मोबाइल हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा, ठीक है, ऑलवेज 24 आवर्स. बट शायद मेरे ख्याल से जो एट दिस टाइम आई एम विद यू, इट्स नॉट इजी, राइट? थोड़ा सा चलिए. रोल ऑफ कैपिटल मार्केट इन फ्यूलिंग इंडियाज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. व्हाट इज द रोल? Is there anyone know about that? What is the capital market size of India, or where we stand in terms of capital market in all over the world? Where we stand, India किस ranking पर है? 4, 3 and 4. Exactly, you are almost right. Third. Securities market, also known as capital market, simples, right? Where the institutions raise the funds from the market, either for expansion their business, right? Or so many objective of creation the capital or mobilize the funds from various types of investors. And in other part, market is also provide opportunity to investment in the company. जैसे मैंने भी बताया कि stock market का मतलब capital, like when you invest in the stock market, you just invest your amount in capital of the company, right? So stock market in investor point of view is just opportunity to invest in capital of the company, where the returns is very good comparison of other fixed products, like in bank FDs, post offices, or fixed income instrument. A return is usually 6 to 7% per annum, and the inflation of India is also average around 6 to 7%. So if you invest your amount, or if anyone invests your amount in like bank FDs, post office schemes, insurance policies, so there is not good returns. Your money is not grow there. Due to inflation, your returns is reduced, because inflation reduces the purchasing power of money. We all know that. Right? So as businesses can raise funds by issuing securities, attracting the investment from individuals and institutions. And secondly, the securities market allows investors to grow their wealth. Buy and sell this financial instrument, which is security issued by the institutions, either in the stock market, in bonds, debentures, or so many securities which are available in the market. In last session, marketing sessions, एक word use किया था सर ने, Shark Tank. Yes sir. Shark Tank. What is the objective of Shark Tank? To
bridge between entrepreneurs and investors.
Yes, the bridge between the entrepreneur and investors means the companies who want to just start their business, or maybe they require the funding. They basically give the options to the institutions. If you want to invest in our company, so this is our proposal, this is our growth prospects, you can invest us. So in Shark Tank, basically one institution generally invests to other institutions. The institutions who are investor is called private equity firms and venture capital firms, or maybe angel investors. Angel investors, private equity firms, venture capital firms, all these are institutions. They basically invest in the company who is very growing compared to the other companies like or other peers. So the future of the securities market, is a angel funds, venture capital funds, or hedge funds. It's very popular because in US market or in other countries, in the stock market, more than 90% retail investors move out from the market due to machine over the man. You know concept of machine over the man. At present situation in the market, अगर आप ट्रेडिंग करते हो या आपके कुछ रिलेटिव्स, आपके नोन्स ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, तो they know that कि at present scenario of the stock market, more than 90% are loser. More than 90% are loser in this market. Reason क्या? What is the reason?
Knowledge lack.
The reason first is lack of awareness. Second, greediness. Greedy people. Right now? But one more important thing, algorithm, machine over the man concept. In Nasdaq stock exchange, Nasdaq, where is it? Where it is? US. In US stock market, Nasdaq stock exchange, in 2019, more than 90% retail investors move out from the market due to machine over the man. Then there are brokers, investment bankers, or fund management houses. What they are doing, what they provide services, how they connect with the investors. The market of the global market is at present now is a AIF. AIF means Alternative Investment Funds. In Indian AIF, there are three categories. One is angel funds, second is venture capitals or private equity funds, and third is hedge funds. Hedge funds, which is very popular all over the world. So if you look, if your vision like for 2030 of the Indian market, this is a very growing or upcoming market in our India. Because in the stock market, we all know that There is now machine over the man concept, so not easy to earn the money in short term. So for the career point of view, there is very good scope in AIF. जैसे अभी तो हम Shark Tank देखते हैं. Shark Tank में क्या है? Shark Tank में तो one institution generally invest in other institution company. But in AIF domain, investment banker play role. Basically, investment bankers play role. They give opportunities to retailers. They can invest in the company who is just a startup. Startup companies have potential growth as comparison of any stability in any company. We all know that about the Zerodha. Zerodha आपने नाम सुना? Zerodha Securities, Zerodha stock broker. Nitin Kamath or Nikhil Kamath, there are two brothers. They think about the Fintech. If we provide the opportunity to investors on the digital platforms with very nominal charges, definitely more participants will be active. In 2016, Indian securities market, only 8 crore investors are traders, are trading or investing in a stock market directly. But as of now, in 2024, is around 18 crore. 8 crore से कितना हो गया? 18 crore investor now invest in the stock market. कैसे possible हुआ? Through Fintech. At present now, in private equity firms in AIF, there is lack of awareness in the market because there is no tools available where investor can easily invest or they can get information about the AIF or information about the venture capital companies, right? So here, the requirements of some professionals who have knowledge of the market, who have a knowledge of Fintech, financial technology, where they provide a platform to the retail investors. So there is very good career opportunities. We all know that before 2010, 2010 से पहले, the definition of banking are like saving and advances only. Savings and advances. The definition of bank. There are two major functions of bank. कि either वो loan देते हैं या फिर आपसे पैसा लेके savings, FDs, RDs ये services देते हैं. But after 2010, when the ATM is open, or many kiosks is open, like check deposit, passbook printing and all the banking services now change into investment banking. Now if you go in the bank, so many bank employees ask with you for insurance policies, for mutual funds, right? For demat accounts and all. The future of the market in 2000, maybe 26, 27, 28, you will see the merchant banking counter will also open in every bank. They also provide the merchant banking services. What is the role of merchant banker? Is there anyone know?
Those who hold all the shares of the company and then act as a bridge between investors and person.
Yes, merchant banker generally play a role as they help to the institutions for subscriptions of the IPO. For help, create a capital, create a wealth for the company. If any company wants to raise funds, it's not easy to connect with one-to-one with any investors at large scale. So the future of the banking industries is like merchant banker or investment banker who provide the services to like investment opportunity directly in the venture capital firms and private equity firms. Very good domain. Earnings, you estimate the earnings? In crores. We all know that. Mama Earth का सर ने भी एग्जाम्पल लिया था आपके लास्ट सेशन में, right? D2C वर्क करता है. Do you know the profits of Mama Earth? If you calculate in the percentage, their profit is higher than Reliance and Tata Motors. If you calculate the profit in percentage, the profit of the startups companies is higher than the Reliance and Tata and Maruti and all. This is opportunity for everyone. If you learn the finance, if you learn how to manage the wealth, if you learn the Fintech, which technology is useful in the future, to just help to the institutional where they can raise the funds from all the types of investors, either institutions and retailers. Because at present of now, there is no platform available. अभी कोई platform available ही नहीं. Venture capital firms, private equity firms, there is no platform available in India. In world market, maximum bankers, brokers are professionals. They offer services. List of market participants, how many participants are in the stock market or in the securities market, like retail investors. First, the Indian stock market is now world fourth largest, the market capitalization US dollar 4.62 trillion. This is the size of Indian stock market. And there is around 18 crore retail investors who invest in the stock market. And as this new addition, the data of the 24, around 7.6 new investors, 7.6 millions new investors are added in the market. And if you see the location wise, highest percentage is North. 43% new accounts are open in stock market. Means now population of India wants to invest in the market. They know that. They know that impact of inflation. कि अगर बैंक में पैसा रखा तो पैसा बढ़ेगा नहीं. Institutional investor. The size of institutional investor in Indian market is more than 40%. 40% institutional investors like mutual funds companies, like PMS companies, or portfolio management company, insurance company, they invest in equity market. And the ratios of foreign institutional investor and foreign portfolio investor, FIs and FPI, click ले सकते हो. If anyone wants to click it, it's allowed, no issue. So FIs and FPIs का ratio is around 12%. They invest around 12% of this capital size. Mutual funds is very growing market in India. Is around size of 54 lakh crore. 54 lakh crore is the size of mutual funds in India, and this is around 17% of our GDP. 17% of our GDP. But in international market like US, their mutual fund investor is around 74% of their GDP. 74% of US GDP in US market invested in mutual funds. And at present data in Indian mutual fund market is only around 17%. So what is the growth of the market? I think there is up to sky, there is no limit. Insurance and NPS, we all know that they are also invest in the market. They are also big players. Or if you see the data of last 3 years in Indian capital market, earlier was FIs are basically manipulate the Indian capital market. FIs is the largest player. But from last 3 years onwards, DIs, domestic institutional investors, they take over the turnover of FIs as well. यानी हमारे इंडिया के अंदर जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनीज हैं, they now invest more as compared to FIs and FPIs. पहले क्या होता था, FIs, FPIs ने अगर अपना स्टॉक सेल किया, स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश. But at present now, last 3-4 years से क्या हो रहा मार्केट? And FIs are continuously seller. FIs continue to be seller. Means there is more potential. When other countries investors again join the Indian capital markets, there will be very high growth. PMS and AIF, this is a new investors which is now active in the market, and this is the future. This is the future of the market. When you explore the jobs or career in PMS and AIF, so there is the opportunities to earn like in crores in per annum. मैं अगर सैलरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करूँ, जॉब पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करूँ, तो एट प्रेजेंट आप who have a certification, who have a knowledge, or who have any degree related PMS and AIF, there are lots of jobs available in the market where you get package like 50 lakh bottom पकड़ लेते हैं, 50 lakh to 50 lakh or 70 lakh rupees. You can explore on LinkedIn and Google everywhere, I'm sure. List of countries by stock market capitalization. So in the top 10 stock market countries, India stands for 4 positions. Around 5,355 domestic companies listed. As compared to all over the world, the highest company size are listed in the Indian stock market. How many stock exchanges are in India? How many stock exchanges are in India who provide a screen-based trading platform? 2? Sure? One is? Second is? There is a 3 stock exchange provide a screen-based trading platform. Third one is? There are 3 stock exchange provide a screen-based trading platform. Overall, अगर हम बात करेंगे तो there are 23 stock exchange in our India. 23. In this 23, the 3 stock exchange provide a screen-based trading platform. One is NSE National Stock Exchange, second is BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, and third is MSEI Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India. MSEI Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India provide a screen-based trading platform. Earlier its name was MCSX. MCX nahi, MCX NCDX is a commodity exchange. Earlier its name was MCSX, and the sponsor of this exchange is Fintech. Fintech is a leading company in the financials market in our India, which provide the trading platform to trade in the securities market. So in the top 10, the market, the India stands for 4 positions. For career path in the securities market, a wide range of opportunities for individuals with diverse skill set. Some popular options include like financial analyst. Many companies is now work as the analysis of the financials market tools. They provide the recommendations of the equity shares. They provide the tools to analysis the market. So there are good opportunities as financial analyst in the market. Second, investment banker, most important upcoming features of India. Investment banker, there are lots of opportunities, many opportunities. If you want to earn money in short term, or if you want to take retirement in early age, investment banking is really very good. Very wide field. Investment bankers now change the role. In future, you will see they not depend only the investment product, mutual fund ले लो, insurance ले लो, demat account open करो. In future, they basically advise to financial planning, how to one make financial plan. They provide portfolio management services as per the investor financial rules or risk appetite level. They provide the products like venture capital funds. They provide like hedge funds. What do you mean by hedge? What do you mean by hedge? Hedge funds or hedging? Hedging word नहीं सुना इससे पहले कभी? Hedging is speculation, arbitraging. Hedging reduce the risk of any portfolio. Hedging reduce the risk of any portfolio. When you buy the insurance, you generally transfer the risk to the insurance company. इसीलिए insurance buy करते हैं ना? When you buy the insurance, you generally transfer the risk to insurance company. So hedging is just like a tools where you can transfer the price risk to derivative. In derivative, you generally transfer the price risk. आपके पास अभी 50 लाख रुपए के assets हैं. You have a portfolio of 50 lakh rupees in a demat account. But you are worried about that कि in case market crash हो गया, your portfolio value may be decreased by 50 lakh to 45 lakh or 40 lakh. how to reduce this risk? You can reduce this risk with the hedging. You can hedge with the derivatives market. So in upcoming market, hedge funds is really most popular. Everyone wants to make money in short terms, but they also, face the risk, or they will also worried about the risk कि अगर market crash हो गया और मेरा पैसा डूब गया तो क्या होगा? So in investment banker, in futures, they require the people who know that about how to hedge the portfolio. Market अगर down भी जा रहा है तो loss हो गई. Portfolio manager, it's also very growing, industries. All the banks, mutual fund companies, brokers, now they provide services of portfolio management because the returns of the portfolio management is higher than the other investment product. So many professionals who have a knowledge about the market, they work as a portfolio manager. Trader, if you like research, if you enjoy the research of the product, so or if you want to trade in the equity market, so there is also opportunity as a trader. Many algo companies are appoint the traders to just trade on behalf of the institutions. In last 5 years, अगर आप last 5 year का एक data देखेंगे, आपने news अगर सुना हो, maximum student of IIM Ahmedabad की बात कर रहा हूँ, the top most management institute, right? They ignore the job and they start their own business as a algo trader. They set up the algo trading platform. Because the size of the market is around 20 lakh crore turnover in a day. Indian stock market में अगर हम derivative और cash market के trading की बात करेंगे, turnover की बात करेंगे, तो around 20 lakh crore in a day, everyday turnover. So there is very big opportunities to tradings or to earn the profits. So you work as a trader, you also work as a research analyst because many of PMS companies, many of the traders, many of the investment banking companies, they require research analyst people who enjoy the research of the shares. And compliance officer just like to ensure about the rules, regulations which is set by regulatory body. And last, Fintech specialist. Fintech specialist required in everywhere. Either financial analyst, either investment banker, either PMS, either trader. Because Fintech specialists like to just create a platform. Who just create a platform with the technologies where the investments or trading will easy to the institutional investor as well as retail investors. तो फिनटेक तभी पॉसिबल है मार्केट के अंदर मैक्सिमम जो आईटीएंस हैं अगर मैं आईटी दिल्ली की बात करूं आईटी मुंबई की बात करूं there are lots of CS qualified like CS means computer science qualified they completed but they have not much idea about finance so they are not helped to provide the fintech in the industries fintech model in the industries. So here the requirement of the financial professionals who are passionate to work in the finance. So there are lots of industries are open for you. Some essential skills required for the success. We all know that to thrive the securities market a strong foundation in certain skills is essential. Here are some key qualities that will set you apart like strong analytical and problem solving skills. We all know that as financial market are not a stable market, there are always up and downs. You should know about that, how to analysis or how to solve the problem in case of any high volatility in the market. Second, excellent communications and interpersonal skills. Obviously, communication is most important everywhere. Either you want to do own business or you want to do job. Ability to work independently as a part of team. It's also most important for anyone, if anyone wants to start their own business. Some key aspects from the employer, they should have a good knowledge, or they should have knowledge to work as a team. Adaptability and willingness to learn the fast-paced environment, and strong work ethics and commitment to excellence. हर कंपनी की ये expectations होती है. You should know about that. You should keep in mind about all these things when you start your career. Now about NISM certifications. As securities market is very growing, industries in our India, and SEBI as regulate the securities market, SEBI ensure to all the investor to protect the interest of investor in securities market. SEBI also role to promoting and development and regulations of securities market. So SEBI initiated the educations through NISM. NISM stands for National Institute of Securities Market by SEBI. Simple. So NISM conduct the certifications in various domains, either in research analyst, either in PMS, either in AIF, either in derivative market, capital markets. There are more than 32 certifications. NISM conducts certification examination for various securities market participants and intermediaries as mandated by SEBI. SEBI is mandate now because the certifications are basically just way where you can upgrade your skills, where you can get knowledge, how we need to take care while we start our business or just doing job in this industry. The National Institute of Securities Market is a public trust established in 2006 by Securities and Exchange Board of India and the regulator of the securities market in India. The institute carries out a wide range of capacity building activities at various levels aimed to enhancing the quality standard in securities market. So they offer more than 32 certifications. More than 32 certifications. And I think all you are lucky to get opportunities of this knowledge of NISM certification and classes of certifications in this campus, Lloyd Business School. So you will also, learn about the certificate also, and you will also clear certificate of NISM through this campus, as sir told me about this. Why NISM certifications? Because it is very authentic and practical and contemporary curriculum. They change the curriculum according to the changes of regulations. So almost in 3 months and 6 months, they always change the contents also. They update the study material also. So one of the certifications where you learn the practical, where NISM certification help in career enhancement. Either you want to do work as a Fintech industries, or you want to get knowledge of all the domains related securities market. So you can learn a lot through NISM. And this is also regulatory mandate. Nationwide recognitions. The paper of NISM, one can do self-study because the paper is like MCQ type, and there is a time of 2 hours generally. And with nominal fee, around 1,500 rupees only. And this certification is valid for 3 years. You are not audible actually.
Thank you so much, Chandresh sir, for coming to Lloyd, giving such a